Hi students, how are you people? Okay, okay, okay. Today we are here with the video which is for your career guidance. The most important part of your life is your career, and it starts with what? After 10th or after 12th? Up to the 10th, there is no problem. After 12th, only the problem arises. What is the problem? Where to settle, how to settle, what to study, and where to apply, how to prepare for that exam. Lot of questions will be there. Okay. So, because of these questions only, there is a solution provided by our Whichcam YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and press bell icon so that whenever we upload such a videos you should get notified. Okay, and in between if you feel that the information is very important, please press like button. Okay, so subscribing, sharing, liking and pressing bell icon if you are first customer, then you first time if you are visiting to this channel, then you should press the bell icon also so that you can get the notification. Okay, now let's start with the content of this video. So most of the parents, most of the students are worried what after 12th. Okay, so mostly people are aware only about the NEET and IIT. 90%, 90%, 99%, sometimes 95%, 99% students are, parents are not aware there are lot of ways to settle in a better life. Not only IIT, not only NEET, plenty of examinations are there. Just because of lack of information, lack of awareness, they are not able to even attend the exam. So competition is very less. Because of the less competition, there are career growth also of those students is very high. So everybody is worried to get a seat in IIT only. So all seats of the IIT are filled, but there are many other career opportunities other than IIT also. Okay, so where you can study in a better way and you can settle in a easiest way. Okay, what is the reason? Because of awareness. People are not knowing that these type of courses are also available. So if many people are going in that direction also, there also competition will be obvious and career settlement will also be difficult. Okay, so to create such awareness, we have started a series which is a career guidance series. Okay, now we will start with that. Are you ready to go that? Okay, so here I am planned everything and coming with a plan. Okay, so this is what the question asked by the more of the students and many of the parents. Okay, what after 12th class? First you should decide if your kid is passed just now from the 10th class, then you should ask him he wanted to be engineer or medical. Okay, so there are only better career options only in these two streams. Let us suppose engineers. Okay, now what to do? What are the examinations after 12th class he is going to write? And if you are in 11th class, you can start apply next year. If you are in the first year or 11th class, next year what are the examinations you have to apply, what are the requirement of that examinations, what is the career opportunities after that course completion, what will be the fees details, like that everything I am going to provide. Okay, so my career guidance will be for the two types of people: those who wanted to be engineers and those who wanted to be a medical doctors. Okay, and there is one more opportunity. Some smart people wants that they should do the BTech along with the job, that stipend that is also there. Okay, but that video I will do it afterwards. Understood? So instead of waiting for 4 years, after the completion of course you may get job. That is the regular thing. But there is another opportunity also. While doing the BTech also you will get job only. Studying also job. You will be paid for studying. You will be fed for studying. Okay. and there is no chance of the uncertainty after the BTech because already you are doing a job. Okay, so what is that? I am going to do it in the next video. Currently I am going to show you the what are the career opportunity, what are the options for the a student to be a engineer. Okay, so let's start. In the forthcoming videos I will be making for the medical people also. Currently I am going to show you the chances for engineers. Okay, now let us take it as a three types of people. Okay, those students are very brilliant and they are clearing the advanced. What are the opportunities them? Okay, so many people are in doubt that after clearing advanced what is there, we have to join an IIT, that's all. No, it is not like that. There are many better engineering colleges, better courses also offered, but they are not conducting any extra examination based upon the advanced examination. And if you are not able to join an IIT because of demographic reasons, like if you are getting seat somewhere with distant IIT, okay, course is better, everything is better, but you don't want to leave your own place or you don't want to stay at that place, then there are many nearby institutes like in Andhra Pradesh only. Those IIT equivalent institutes are there. They will give you the better course. You will have the course selection opportunity because in IIT competition is very much high. So you may not get the good course is very important. Once you don't get your interested course, then what is the use? Your interest is lost for that 4 years and your career also will be direction in the doing the course. Okay, so to avoid that, if you are very worried about your the course only and wanted to stay nearby your, there are letter equivalent to IIT, sometimes you can say better than IIT also. Okay, so what are those opportunities? I am going to explain. No, if you are not able to clear advanced but you settled only mains, then what are your examination opportunities? No, I don't want that. I am ready to pay any amount of fees, but I have passed only 12th class. Then also there are career opportunities. So this is my plan for you to be engineer. You can be a better student, cleared advanced, then also you require guidance. You could not clear advanced, but you got good marks in mains. Then what you should do? Okay, no, you are not able to even clear mains also. I have cleared only 12th class. Then what I should do? So these are the things I am going to reveal in my video, in this video. Okay, let us see. Now after passing the advanced examination, what are the opportunities? Every people, 95 to 99% people that thinks that after advanced examination I have to join IIT. There are no options. See how many opportunities are there after clearing the advanced examination. Based on the marks obtained on the advanced examination, even after you are not getting seat in IIT, so many opportunities are there. Even IIT also you wanted to join, your perfect aim is that let it be any course, I wanted to join IIT only. Then also by sitting at your home also you can join the topmost IIT and continuing your regular work. Suppose you wanted to help your parent, then you can join an IIT with online also. That too not a simple course, the most demanding course. What is that? Data sciences. All of you must aware that Google have invested crores of rupees in India because of the talent. Okay, so when you will be having your talent in the data sciences, obviously you will be earning lakhs, crores of rupees. And for this there is no office required, there is no timetable required. In your free time, if you are a certified data scientist, then definitely you yourself will be the boss. And while studying also you need not to go to the college. Okay, so data science is not that internet data, it is just data, means collecting the information and fetching it to the required people in the required format. Okay, so thereof after the lockdown and before the lockdown also, after Jio entered in our India, lot of information is loaded into the internet, collecting the data from internet and giving it to the selling it to the people according to their organization need. This is what you have to do. Okay, collect it from the internet and search for the required organization, and according to their format you have to give. That is what data science. So you can do it in your free time, and you can do it from your home without leaving any place. Okay, so that is online IIT, that is IIT Madras is offering. I have done a special video on that. I will give you the link in the description box or I button you can press, so that you can go through that video. Okay, fees is very less. What is the advantage of online IIT? Fees is very less. You will not leave your own village, own place, own town. You will stay with your parents, and no expenditure of room, no expenditure of food, and no timing concern like at 9 o'clock you have to attend class, not like that. Okay, so but you will get the certification from the IIT. IIT Madras is going to give you certificate. That certificate itself is a valid. Okay, so what are the career prospects that I am going to give you in already given in the video, so that description I will give you. Okay, but if you are very interested in offline and you scored a good marks, then your final aim and definitely you have to go for IIT offline. Okay, so now this video is mainly for them, those who are not able to clear IIT, get cleared advanced examination but could not get seat in the IIT and don't wanted online courses also. Then this there are opportunities equivalent to IIT, better than IIT. I will show you some pics also. What are the facilities you are going to get when you join them. Okay, so if this video is liked and forwarded to your friends, and when I get new people into this channel, definitely I will be doing more and more elaborated videos. This video today I am doing just because of your motivation. This channel have grown a lot of times, number of times. Okay, just because of your motivation only, and such motivation should continue, and people are motivating in different direction. And I got one gift also from one of the subscriber, because of which there is a lot of development in the video clarity. Okay, and such a wonderful subscriber also there, and there are certain normal subscribers are also there who are worried about some comment came that video is starting from 0.46 seconds. See how difficult it is. That means you don't want to wait for a 0.46 second also for a better video. And what I can expect from such subscribers? No problem. But one subscriber have sent me around 8 to 9,000 equipment, due to which my video quality improved. Okay, so you can also help me to grow this channel in different ways. What are the different ways? You can contact me through the comment section. Okay, I will provide you all details. Everything you spend it 10 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees on this channel, that is going to be reverted back to you people only. Okay, so because of that one person 7 to 8,000 gift he provided to me, just, and he don't want to reveal his name also. Okay, so but I am requesting him that I should reveal his name, or at least I wanted to make that unboxing video. Okay, so if you are also interested, I will ask him, so that I can make a video that these type of subscribers are also there on the our channel. They are ready to pay any amount once they get quality. Okay, so two types, many type of people will be there. Somebody is ready to pay for quality, and somebody wants everything in free also, and in that free also they are going to point out something that the quality is not good, or this content is time wastage, like that. Okay, so that I have to be bear with every type of people, and it is not only this channel, it is with the everyday life also. Okay, now let us come to our topic. So if you wanted to help and grow this channel, many ways. First of all, you have to give a like to this video, you have to share it to your friends, and grow up this channel. Or you can financially also, if you wanted to help me, then I am going to use it for the better cause only. Okay, and it can range from anything to anything. Okay, there is no time limit, there is no financial limit that you have to be minimum this much, not like that. Okay, so let's see what are the opportunities for the people who cleared advanced examination, don't wanted to join offline IIT, are not getting offline IIT. Okay, these are the some places. IISER, this is one of the reputed institute, but just because of unawareness about these institutes, research institute. Okay, what is the full form, where they are located, and everything I will be showing some pics of the ISCR also. IIPE, IISE, IIST, RGIPT. These are the some best technical colleges which are going to offer you good course with good quality and hygienic place to stay and best place to roam around. Understood? So your career will be better. Understood? Your life is going to be comfortable. Your course is also very very satisfactory. Okay, so don't be degraded that I could not get IIT seat. Don't be degraded that. Okay, so once you are a subscriber of Whichchem, and I will guide you. Only thing, you have to be with me in the better time also, in the bad time also. Okay, so we are all Whichchem family. Now it is growing like anything. Understood? So what are these are the opportunities. One by one I will be making a video on each and everything. Now let us start with the IISER. Okay, so what is IISER? It is the Indian Institute of Science Education and Research. Research based. There is a lot of scope in the research. Okay, and what it is available at 7 places in India. It is available at 7 places in India, so that you can select your own different place. Okay, suppose you are from the Andhra Pradesh, you can join IISER Tirupati. Okay, just because of, not because of the quality, it is just because of the awareness. Okay, less people know about this institutes. They are also offering good courses with good content of education. Okay, so if you got somewhere IIT seat in not better branch and don't want to leave your state, then you can join. Suppose you are Andhra Pradesh, you are in Andhra Pradesh, you can join IISER Tirupati in a better courses. Okay, course is going to decide your life, not in direction of the institute. Okay, institute is also additive. Okay, not only complete. Understood? Suppose you are interested in computer science and not getting from the IIT, then what you will do? You can go for the better college, not from the IIT. Okay, not that because you are getting some mechanical engineering or some electrical engineering, some other engineering, you are not interested in that subject, but you are getting seat in IIT, then better to avoid that, because one small decision at that point of time. So giving importance to IIT or giving importance to course. So I will suggest you people to go for the course, because that career is you are going to settle. You wanted to be a computer engineer, and when you are passing out with electrical engineering, first of all, you will not get that much marks in the electrical engineering once you are having interested in the computer engineering. Okay, so that 4 years only, very very difficult situation. After that also you will be settling in electrical engineer only. Okay, so that comfort entire life is going to be a difficulty. Okay, so first give preference to your interest. Your interest is to become electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, computer engineer, chemical engineer, lot of engineer, polymer engineers. Okay, so select course first, then you select the college which are offering. You arrange them in the increasing order of the reputation and try according to them. Suppose you wanted to computer engineer, IIT is not offering, leave that. then go for the some other institutes. Okay, so what are the institutes offering that course? You can list it out. If you are not able to do that, I am here to do it. Understood? So these are the so many places. Suppose you are from Calcutta or from West Bengal, you can go for the IISER Kolkata, and I have some friends in IISER Mohali. Okay, which is the A class institute. Okay, I am going to show you some internal pictures of the Mohali also. IISER Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, Berhampur, Orissa, Maharashtra, Pune, Tirupati, it is there in AP. Likewise, different places it is located. Number of seats are also good, and candidates knowing about these institutes are also less. So don't get degraded that I could not get any seat in the IIT. If you wanted to be a course and any of these institutes are offering that course, blindly select and join. Understood? Okay, so I am, as I promise you that why you should join IISER. Okay, so what are the facilities I am going to get? I am going to show you with the proofs. Okay, first this is the IISER Mohali. The very first reason is world class library. Okay, because you are going to that much distance and beautiful place in Mohali, and it is in the world, it have the world class library. So definitely books are not going to be a hurdle for you to settle in a good career. Okay, so next, see, this is the nightlife. Clear patches for the strangers, wide roads accommodate pedestrians as well as vehicles. Separate roads are there. If you are a pedestrian, you can go in the separate route, and if you are on the vehicle, you can zoom like anything. Okay, that much good roads. Nightlife is going to be the very fascinating. Okay, next, see, if you are wanted a good education along with the good physique, good health, and if you want to spend some quality time on sports also, tennis courts, basket courts, cricket pitch, football fields, is like this is the stadium, actual picture of the stadium in the Mohali. Okay, so you can see what facilities you are going to get. At least this must inspire you. If you are from 10th class or joining 11th class, or if you are in the 11th class planning to join in the IITs or write a mains examination and advanced examination in your 12th class, after looking at these pictures also, from the day today only, okay, from today onwards, be on my channel and follow everything. Definitely you are going to be at one of the IITs. If not IITs, these are the IISER opportunities. Okay, so this is the multi-story building. It is a safe, green, beautiful. Okay, it is what? Safe, green, beautiful campus, and the main thing you wanted at this age is freedom. You will have the freedom, okay, to roam around at any time. There is no restriction that lunch time is this much. Okay, so you will not go out of the room like that. To roam around and at any time of the day or night with anyone. I think this inspiration is sufficient you to study from the now itself. Now what you will do, definitely you will subscribe my channel. I expect everybody to spend daily 1 hour on YouTube channel of mine. There are lot of other channels which distracts you, and there are another suggesting videos. So avoid those distractions and stay with Witchcam. I will be doing some beautiful videos which decides your career. Okay, so this is what. Okay, I hope you have a sufficient inspiration now to study. So start studying from now itself. Settle in a happy, beautiful tomorrow. Okay. So let's, for gathering so much of information and inform you, I expect what? Subscribe, like, share, and press bell icon. See you in the part 2. Okay. Bye bye.